Yeah, this is Creek Life production, working in the chicken house. Yep, about to start just doing videos on chicken houses. Just remind, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for my shit. That's what we've been doing, putting felines in. I put every single one of them together, all the way down, 500 feet. All it is, on both sides. Both sides. Now I'm about to hook this auger up. That's the auger. This is the auger. Just had to push that all the way down there. Now I'm about to hook it up. This hooks to this. But Creek Life, hit the thumbs like, subscribe.